Step into the shadows where crime and horror intertwine, narrated through the lens of groundbreaking animation that knows no bounds. This is where the unseen becomes seen, where faceless entities roam, and tales of terror are brought to life with the magic of free AI tools. YouTube has become incredibly popular, surpassing even well-known YouTube channel ideas without showing your face, with a subscriber count exceeding 4 million. The number of views on its videos also reaches into the millions. Inspired by their success, they launched a second channel which has already attracted over 2.5 million subscribers, despite having only 17 videos. In this niche, you'll find numerous other channels with subscriber counts ranging from thousands to millions. Achieving such milestones doesn't necessarily require a lot of time. Interestingly, this trend continues with another faceless YouTube channel that with just 98 videos has nearly 648,000 subscribers. Similarly, another channel boasts over 602,000 subscribers with only 42 videos. This demonstrates that a high number of videos is not a prerequisite for gaining a substantial subscriber base. If this doesn't define popularity in this niche, then it's hard to say what does. However, it's not just about popularity. What about financial success? Yes, these faceless crime channels do indeed earn money as well. Certainly. A glance at the earnings estimates from Social Blade reveals that all these channels generate a significant income each month. Given the impressive number of views these crime stories YouTube channel is receiving, it's clear they are generating revenue. Observing these metrics provides insight into the popularity of this niche among viewers. Think creating animated crime or horror stories is a daunting task that takes forever? Think again. You're just 10 minutes away from crafting your very own spine-tingling tales, all with the help of easily accessible free AI tools. Creating characters that resonate and remain consistent throughout your story might seem like a challenge, but it's an art that you can master with ease. In our upcoming video, we're diving deep into the secrets of character creation that stick. Let's dive right in. To begin with, researching for a script, especially for a crime story, involves a few critical steps to gather the best faceless YouTube channel ideas and material. There are two primary strategies available to you. The first option involves utilizing Google. Search for crime stories in English or Hindi, depending on your preference. Our goal is to find an exceptional story that will captivate our audience. Should you opt to search in English, the advantage is that there's no need for translation. Additionally, if you encounter content in a language other than your preferred one, you can use Google Translator to convert it into your desired language. Working with content in English, especially within the crime or horror genres, can prove to be financially advantageous due to the higher cost per meal (CPM) rates. This strategy could significantly increase your earnings. To streamline the process, select your stories from the sources mentioned and bring them to ChatGPT. Request ChatGPT to revise and tailor these stories according to your preferences. Once the modifications are made, proceed to record the voiceover. This method represents the most straightforward and effortless approach to content creation. However, if you're aiming to elevate your content quality, consider the second approach. This involves coming to ChatGPT and using a specific prompt, which I will provide. Feel free to adapt the story idea based on the guidance offered by my prompt. Rest assured, the necessary details for this prompt will be included in the description below. You will be able to access the prompt. Simply copy it from the provided location. Moreover, if you find the interaction with ChatGPT somewhat unusual, it's important to note that this platform operates on AI RPM technology. In the video discussing the Already Perfect Promises extension, I've included a link accessible via the button above. If you haven't viewed it yet, I recommend doing so for a comprehensive understanding. Here, we utilize YouTube to finalize the script and generate images. Follow the provided prompt to see how it's done. With this approach, the entire script is now fully prepared. Now it's crucial to pay attention to an important aspect that will significantly impact the future of your content creation. I have communicated to ChatGPT the specifics of every character, ensuring a complete definition of their attributes, such as whether they are male or female, young or old. It is essential to note that I specified characteristics for all characters, including their binary traits, such as being black or white. I provided detailed descriptions to ChatGPT about each character, including who has a beard, the shape of their nose, their attire, and the type of hair they have. These comprehensive details are invaluable and will greatly benefit our project moving forward. To proceed, copy the entire script along with the image prompts and paste them into a Google document or a Word document. Start with the heading Comic Book Illustration, followed by your specific prompt, and conclude the section with Mystery Aesthetic. After copying the initial prompt, navigate to the Leonardo AI interface. There, paste the prompt into the designated prompt box provided by Leonardo AI. Next, within the image style settings, select Leonardo Diffusion XL. This choice is ideally suited for a comic-style video. Following that, adjust the image's aspect ratio to better fit your needs. However, the aspect ratio has been set to 16:9, which corresponds to the format of a widescreen video. The number of images I've chosen to generate is 2. Upon initiation, we now have 2 images generated. Observe the remarkable quality of these images. You have the option to download them directly. Should they not meet your expectations, there's also the flexibility to regenerate them until you're satisfied with the outcome. Now, return to your Google document and incorporate any necessary edits at the beginning and end of the image prompt. After making these adjustments, go back to Leonardo and paste the revised prompt, then initiate the process. You will notice that while the background and scenery may have altered, the character remains largely consistent with the previous iteration. This method is a valuable trick for achieving character consistency in your future creations. Now, proceed to download the image from here. The next step is as follows. You may also copy the prompt and insert it within the provided prompt in a manner that suits you best. Then, press Enter. This process should be repeated for each image generation to streamline your workflow. To expedite this tutorial, I'm moving forward quickly. Should you encounter any issues, feel free to leave a comment below this video in the comment section. I will now explain how to utilize a script that is already in written form. It's important to modify the script to avoid potential copyright issues in the future. If the script is in Hindi or any other language, a useful step is to download the Google Translate extension for your browser. After installation, navigate to the desired website and click on the Extension tab. This action will translate the web page into English. Having selected a crime story, I copied the entire content and pasted it into a Google document. Next, return to ChatGPT and enter this content into the prompt box. Copy the entire story and paste it below this initial prompt. You may also include the story's title at this point. Then, proceed to hit Enter in ChatGPT. Following the instructions provided in the prompt, ChatGPT will generate a unique story. In conclusion, ChatGPT will revise the entire story, incorporating image prompts that correspond to different scenes, thereby facilitating the creation of visuals. Once this process is complete, copy the updated content and paste it back into a Google document, effectively refreshing the crime story with a new script and enhanced scenes. Now take the initial prompt and insert it between the sections labeled Comic Book Illustration and Mystery. Keep the other settings, such as selecting Leonardo Diffusion XL and setting the aspect ratio to 16:9, unchanged. After setting these parameters, click on the Generate button. Leonardo will then produce an excellent image that aligns with our prompt. This process should be repeated for each image generation to ensure a cohesive set of visuals. To expedite this tutorial, I'm moving forward quickly. If you encounter any issues, feel free to reach out to me in the comment section below this video. With the images now ready, I have demonstrated both methods, and it's your choice to decide which approach best fits your needs. Having downloaded all the images, the next step involves adding animation to these images to create a video. For this purpose, we will utilize a new AI tool named Genmo AI. The link to Genmo AI's website can be found in the description below. Sign up using your Google account and you will be directed to the homepage, specifically to the section where you can upload images. Click on the provided option and upload your images one by one, the ones created with Leonardo. The tool will automatically analyze each image and generate a corresponding prompt as visible on the screen. Simply submit it. Within 10 to 20 seconds, it will transform the image into video format. After the conversion, you can directly download the video from the site. By following these steps, you can sequentially convert all your images into videos. Now that the animation videos are ready, let's focus on the voiceover. ChatGPT has provided a script suitable for creating the voiceover. Extract the narration part from it and save it in a Word document. Keep the original script in English. However, if you prefer to produce the voiceover in Hindi or another language, you can opt for a voice that is deep and resonant, which complements these types of videos well. Proceed to generate the voiceover now. It's important to note that if you're sourcing the voice from 11 Labs, it's a great choice. Alternatively, if you're looking for other options, I have previously shared a video titled The Alternative to 11 Labs. I recommend watching that video to discover how to generate a free voiceover. Select a voiceover artist that meets your requirements. For each scene, copy the script and paste it into the voiceover generation tool, then click on Generate for the voiceover. Once generated, download the voiceover. At this point, both the video and voiceover are finalized and saved on your device. With all components ready, the next step is to compile them. To do this, we'll use CapCut. Begin by clicking on Import to bring all the video and voiceover files into CapCut. Firstly, place the voiceover files onto the timeline. The aspect ratio for the video should be set to 16:9, suitable for widescreen or long videos. Proceed to add the videos to the timeline sequentially. You may notice a small watermark on all the videos, a common feature when utilizing the free version of the software. However, this can be addressed by slightly cropping the video to eliminate the watermark, as demonstrated. Continue to review and add each video one by one, aligning them with the voiceover. Make adjustments as necessary to sync the videos with the narration. If there's a need to modify the duration of any video segment, refer to the detailed instructions I have provided. The videos have now been added, adjusted, and cropped accordingly. At this stage, there's no further need for edits. However, should you wish, effects and transition filters can be applied for additional flair. In my opinion, the video appears fine as is, so we'll proceed to download it directly from here. I will now play the video to showcase its remarkable outcome. Encounter any issues during the creation process, please don't hesitate to leave a comment or direct message me. How to create a faceless YouTube channel. Be sure to watch this detailed Lo-fi video that guides you through the entire process of establishing a faceless channel. It includes selecting a brand name, optimizing titles, descriptions, tags, and hashtags for SEO purposes, and adhering to YouTube's algorithm to improve both visibility and engagement before you publish your video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to let us know by hitting that like button. Your support means the world to us and helps us bring more content your way. And if you're hungry for more amazing tutorials just like this one, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel. Enjoy watching the video.
In a city famed for its majestic heritage, a tale of audacity unfolds. A tale where melody intertwines with malfeasance. This is the ballad of Bharat Lal Meena, a singer turned bank robber, whose quest for YouTube fame led him down a path of infamy. Bharat, a talented singer with dreams of stardom, launched Nyaro Rajasthan Official on YouTube, seeking fame and connection through his music. Struggling to finance his musical dreams, Bharat plotted a heist every February, aiming to fund his YouTube channel's growth. Their heist was swift, targeting banks at dawn before full staff arrival, a tactic that had worked until fate intervened. Narendra's courage sparked a twist as he single-handedly caught Bharat, while Manoj fled, wounded yet free. The mask of anonymity shed, revealing the beloved singer, Bharat Lal Meena, as the architect of the heists, leaving fans and family in disbelief. Behind bars, Bharat pondered the irony of his fate. His quest for fame on YouTube led to notoriety, but for all the wrong reasons. A melody of dreams, drowned out by the cacophony of crime. In the pursuit of dreams, let us not lose sight of who we are. For in the end, the harmony of our actions composes the melody of our lives. This script aims to capture the dramatic turn of Bharat Lal Meena's life, from aspiring singer to notorious bank robber, while emphasizing the moral implications of his choices and the unforeseen impact on his life and those around him. Remember to handle the subject matter with sensitivity and respect towards the individuals involved and the audience.
If you're interested in create a faceless YouTube travel channel in 2024 by using 2 free AI tools in 15 minutes, click on the left. If you want to watch Create AI Talking Avatar Generator free without watermark, free DID Alternative AI Video Generator, click on the right. Thank you for being part of this journey. Happy Learnify AI. Goodbye.